Yesterday I was on a train. A little girl asked
No,
me.
wrong,
A little
wrong.
boy asked me my name.
But you were wrong.
I hurt myself. Tell them we know we vibes, you know.
And tell them we alright, you know. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a challenge video. As you can see, I have my sister here with me today, Shami. You guys, she's no stranger. You know, we're gonna be doing a karaoke challenge today. This is gonna be a dancehall edition / Jamaican style. Yeah, so basically what we're going to do, she has 10 songs, and as I go along I'm going to find those 10 songs because I need to I want to make sure all the lyrics she's saying or singing is accurate. So that's where the challenge come in. You need to know the first verse and the chorus of the song. So whoever gets the most points obviously win, you know, this challenge. And yeah,
So my first song for you is Vybz Kartel, Must Get Better.
oh my gosh, okay.
I did it easy, but no, so she must know this. I know I kill her in her first part.
It's been such a while though. Alright. Da 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 da, we must get better. God no, we must get better. You want left me for your money, man. Look how far we are come from. Not gonna leave you now.
Not the Fifth Harmony version.
We must get better. Stick a bit. Woman, you have it. Wait,
Yellow!
no. You have to make me continue. Wait,
No, you mess up the lyrics. Like, why you gonna waste the people have time singing the rest of the song?
Alright, since you want to play hardball. Alright, my song to you is Popcorn. Weed is my best friend. Ready?
You know we go far out. A friend I go, not just friend, not just stable. Them are
What?
pretty.
Wait, what? No choose friend, what?
Not trustable. Them
What?
are pretty
What?
hard for
That's-
you get people.
No, I'm gonna play hardball for you.
What did it say?
Devil, show me. Devil, what is
Not
devil?
trustable. That me say.
No, no trust friend, no trust.
Pebble.
Devil.
Devil.
I make you go on. You see how me still have a heart.
Them are pretty hard for you get pebble. If you're not just BS, not just trouble. Human being, not just stable. If I'm moving anti-social, I'm a I. And real gangsta na big boy weed. Buy we buy. Anyhow, I don't make right now. Weed is what is it. And me no want to see the next friend call. Alright, mega ease up. Cause you gave me, you know.
Whatever. Let's move on.
Oh, the next song is Governor featuring Jada Kingdom, Better Than That.
I'm gonna listen to that much. Alright. Better than that. Better than that. Better than that. You can do better than that. Say you are leaving, know you're better than that. Say you are leaving. Me know say you're fed up. From it tell me you're not. From it tell me you're not. Now pick your head up. Oh, you for do me that. Yes, to send me, man. Oh, you for tell the Jenna for your ways, man. Oh no, no more perfectly. I just come along with these songs. Oh my god.
Never mind.
So this is J Prince Triada. Take it away.
I don't know it honestly.
Yo, call him blood.
I want leap a door, me not condemn not open. So I give thanks to who close them. Because you make me try harder. Me I tell you say you make me try harder. To all of my enemies, my foes them. Bust a drink and give a toast to them. Because you make me try harder. Me I tell you say you me not know no more.
The first verse. Shami, you can't get a point for that. That's a chorus. No, that was a chorus.
Me know.
So
But
the first
me
verse.
not know it.
So what would they? Would they 1-1? Okay, 1-0.
Your next song is Popcorn Inviolable.
Oh, me see. Whoa, them are dirty. Me I tell you say them are dirty. For real. Oh, them are dirty. Me want live for past 30. Them no want you live for past 30. But me no carry feelings. Me carry me. Hey, me carry me. Me can't say that on camera. Sure. Me carry me. Me carry me. Them for know so them not gonna ever get the chance to sell me out like Mandela. Envious people and crab in a barrel. Want to see you?
They will open up your head like a
Real killing, no sell out, we no sell out. That's why we par with some real thugs like Scully and Joshy and Sheila. Some boy, them are dirty.
She didn't get the point though.
This is rough. The next one is Done Rich by Popcorn.
Be a big girl. My name. Girl, you a Queen Fendi for your body. Queen Louis V for your body. Gucci for your body. Baby girl, make me show you the high life. Introduce you to star life. You are roll with a real G. So welcome to paradise. Me nah leave you lonely. Keep you by my side. Nah, make you walk in the sun, baby. Big fat Benz, ya drive to Calabar Beach, Nigeria. Jamaica, a sandals. The life I'ma make you live, baby, a straight high standards. You done rich, girl. Wine for the money now. You done rich, Alright,
Chummy, you clearly got that point. So she's at 2 and I'm at 0.
The next one, I think you will do this one. It's Popcorn El Chapo. Dun, dun, dun. Yo.
Yo. El Gringo, El Chapo. Boy, violate, chop it, and rule it. Dog, we overdo it. Put it pan repeat. Put it in our face, make it do it. Put pan the street. I can't say. Empty the
No, wait, you skip out. What?
Wait, what?
Left shell on the street.
Hey man, bass squad is it.
Yeah, sing it.
Oi!
No! Sing the song! Yeah. Left shell on the street.
I don't know what you're talking about. Oi, empty
You skip out about 3 lines there, so.
No.
Left shell on the street. Make bass squad is it. Boy, gone left the word for.
Yeah.
You didn't say that.
Oi! But that's a little bit of something. Alright. Guys, this is a challenge.
You're
for me.
supposed to
I don't have time to sit down and memorize the lyrics. The next song I'm giving you is Jamil True Colors.
It's unfortunate, but I just a life set. You do things for people and they will forget, though it makes I upset. Man, move on and just step. That's how we go. Cause some we use it for your money, use it for the fame. And things that them are doing.
No. Shami clearly not getting a point for that. She missed out a whole section. Not need for one.
The next song is Ragging King Tough.
Alright. Ice and chaser. Yeah.
The famous line when nobody don't know me. No,
up with the time. Yeah, let's say the thing tough. Ice and chaser come in the drink.
Yeah.
Wait there. The line there? Or what I'm say? Wait there, let me press this.
Ice and chaser come tip God bring cup.
What? Come tip what?
God.
Who is God?
Somebody name so. Come tip God bring cup.
What's the pot in that white and every color ball of photo? If you're not trouble, me not trouble you. Tell them we know we vibes, you know. And tell them we alright, you know. Hard Drive by Shensia, Conscience, and Roshan.
Back it up like a hard drive. You sit down in the circle me and you all night.
No.
Alright. The next song is Popcorn High Drive, Louis out.
No, so we I like I be a pretty girl in the drive. And they say clean to the bone, so yet as I say we are.
No, no. I want to go fish and see us hang and never make me. You know, so any see I running on my tribe.
Any see I running on my tribe. Clean to the bone, yet as I say we are. Louis, oh. Hey yo. Girl, them say what's that smell? alone, I kick like him.
Cologne alone make me get Chantel.
Alright, me done.
You is bad at this.
I know, I'm not good.
2-0? No, honey. You gotta do something. You can't make the video done and you not even get 1 pint.
Alright, your next song is Legend by Chronics.
Some things I just never say. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Story of my life. Ordinary person just like you. If you take a look inside, you see the great things that people do. Changing lives day and night, but nothing I do ever makes the news. Still I gotta do what's right, to the King of all kings, all praises due. Yesterday I was on a train. A little girl asked me, a little boy asked me my name.
But you were wrong.
I hurt myself. I'ma get the point.
What? No.
He said, sir, I've seen you before. Tell me, who are you? Who are you? You just salty because you can't win nothing. I said I am a legend that you never heard of before.
Okay.
May I get the point? Said I am a lion, but you never heard me roar. I look a girl and boy, I'm mix up in a. I am a hero that nobody celebrates.
No point there.
But if one person remembers my name, that means I've made a change. Mic drop.
What?
Get the point. That's 3-0. Okay, I got the point.
Shami, it's 2. You're at 2.
I'm at 3.
Ready.
Your next song is Vybz Kartel 9X. In place of 9X, you want another.
Yeah.
She wants another song in place of 9. No, it not gonna work. So you just lose the point. You just lose the point. Clearly, I'm the pro here. 3-0. Clearly.
Our next song is Ice Queen by Toyan and Vybz Kartel.
Oh, oh, yeah, yeah. You're too cool, too cool. You give me love all night, love all day. Where you find time, figure straight. You left from Fame Yard, come on my yard. Girl, you're too wicked, oh my God. When you feel me asleep, you are text him. Diva Fox, not sly like you. It's like yesterday you said I do. Today you're turning an ice cube. You're too cool. I feel the freeze in my soul. Whenever you touch me, you touch me. It's like we are walk through snow. Whenever we make love, Ice Queen, you deserve it. Ice Queen should love you. Ice Queen, you're frozen, frozen, frozen. This one, Squash Lavish.
We all live lavish. We all live lavish. Lavish, lavish. Lavish. Mad thing when you drive a Axio. Every girl start Axio. Every you want Vaxi bus. Remember when me used to take taxi first? Now I'm driving the crown. Raya Salon, money spender, stinky.
Nope, money fragrance, stinky.
Alright. I'm done with this challenge. I'm done. So the final song I'm going to be giving Shami is Legacy by Ragging King. Here you go.
Yada! Leave me la. My legacy. And man, I burn up road like I'm a pave it off. Me no know more of the song. Me no know why she give me this one. And just because she not get no fight, why she give me this
but
one.
That's not fair. That's not fair. Just because you get one song that you don't know the lyrics now, you salty for me?
But me
yeah, no, it doesn't work like that.
Me never say nothing. Me just
Give
say
me
me
my
no
final song.
This is a throwback song. Lady saw, man, at least I'm probably.
I wonder what some girls study around here. See them argue over man with them a share. See them worry about what next girl I wear. And as I say them need to do them here. Do you hear? The kind of life me see you living around here. Sometimes I'm sorry for the stress with them over here. But girl, from your conscience clear, sing that one alone make me hear. Man, at the least I'm a problem. So me left idiot for have them. Me too cute for mix up and blend. So tell a girl she for go with her argument. Me stress free, so me in a excitement.
It's good. You reach the chorus.
Yay! She finally get one. Hip hip hooray! I got one, guys. I'm so
4-1.
sad. 3-1. Can we just remind this girl 3-1? Shami, you still win. Just be fair.
On behalf of my mother who birthed me and my sister who had me in this video, I would just like to say thank you for crowning me the winner. This is such a great moment for me because I'm always the lyric police. I'm always
so
correcting
dramatic.
people when they're singing the lyrics
That's
wrong.
why when should I get that right? We have one.
I'm so honored to be collecting this award today. I don't know what else to say. Just thank you to all my fans.
Here's the award. I'll give you my phone. I'm like almost like a plug for songs. Like I'm always listening to the newest and latest songs.
Who give them songs?
What? True, me listen to them. That means I must know them word for word. Come on.
Question.
Guys.
Question. Who had the song them on your phone?
Shamin, you add 2 songs one day. Calm down. Calm down. Alright. Guys,
That's okay.
let me know down below in the comments if which one more important, knowing all lyrics to a song or just being aware about the song and vibing. Which one?
Obviously being aware about the song, like,
And vibing.
but knowing the song is a plus.
Yeah, it's a plus. Like, I'm not gonna lie. Guys, I really hope we didn't bore you with this challenge video. It's a bit different, but I hope you can appreciate it. We'll see you guys in our next challenge video, so stay tuned for that. And yes, I'll be doing more mukbangs. The last one was so much fun. That's it for this video today, and I'll see you guys in the next one.